Hey everyone, hope you're all having a nice day. Today I'm going over my Netflix trade for the month of January and my plans and thoughts for the month ahead. So yeah, before I get further into the video, please remember to leave a like, hit the subscribe button, and also make sure to hit the bell notifications. I post all my trades, strategies, and ideas here on YouTube for free. I don't sell anything, no Discord, no courses, anything like that. And yeah, so Netflix, we're here. So I did enter my trade for Netflix. I will pull it up right here. So I entered at around 10 o'clock this morning. I would usually enter my trade on the last day of the previous month. But because it is a new year, I wanted to close out my trades and not put on my new trade until the new year began, just for tax purposes. So I hope that doesn't confuse anybody, but yes, that's why I put on my trade today, this morning, as of January 2nd. All right, so I went ahead and bought the 16 February 2024 calls, 490 strike. This was at 45 or like 44 delta as of 10 o'clock this morning. The market has continued to drop. So right now my position's at 40 delta. But I'm decently happy with the price I got. But we'll see how it ends up over the next 30 days or so. Currently right now I'm down 16% on the position. It's a pretty rough day in the markets. Tech, the Qs, AMD, NVDA, Apple. Well, we're having a lot of selling pressure today in the markets, which is fine. I'm just going to pull up a 3-minute chart here. I did enter like right here around 10 o'clock. I entered right at the bottom end of this candle. Got a little bit of a bounce. I thought I got lucky, and then we rolled over today, later half of the day. So with that being said, here are my thoughts, and these are the levels I'm looking out for. These are my plans. There's a couple things I wanted to note. The one thing is we do have earnings on January 23rd. So hopefully the earnings come in line and we get decent guidance. If we do, we'll probably see a nice spike up in price. How much? I don't know, but we'll see. And the other thing is I'm looking at certain levels here. I have this yellow line, horizontal line right here at the 500 level. $500, that's a psychological level that I am watching. It looks like we did reach it back on December 20th and rejected right off of that 500 level. So that's an area I'm watching. Another area I'm watching is the 478-ish level. We did have a couple rejections there, and we did break that level today. And if we do continue to slide down like we are today, I'm watching around the 450 to 445 level, since that's where we've had prior resistance back here, right? A few points of resistance back there, and we had support right at that same level back in December. So I am watching that level right now. I'm hoping that we hold it, and hopefully we bounce off of this level, or we find some footing around where we are right now. So with that being said, I did buy into the blood a little bit today, which I'm happy with. I bought when Netflix was down about 3%. Now we're down 4.3% on the day, but it's only one day. I have the next 30 days to let this trade run and let the market do its work. I kind of wish I entered a little bit later in the day, but it is what it is. You can't win them all. But hopefully this isn't a huge deal going forward. So yeah, upside targets I should mention. If we do break above the 500 level, which I'm hoping for, I'm watching the 550 level. That is prior resistance at this range back in July of 2020 and going forward. So I'm watching that 550 area. Also, 550 is a psychological level. And again, just like all my other trades, I'm going to be exiting on January 31st. So, yeah, same old plan. Enter on the first day or the last day of the month, and then close on the last day of the month. And yeah, if you're not familiar with my strategy, I enter on the 45 delta, or around right at the money, or just one strike outside of the money. Typically, that's where I enter my trades. And I stick with a duration of 45 days till expiration or higher. So in this case today, I went with the 16 Feb calls, which are at 45 DTE as of today. So that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to go over this trade quickly. I will be posting an update on this soon in the future, as I always do. I'll also be on stream. I know many of you guys like to join in on my streams, and yeah, I hope you guys all join my streams. Sometimes we like to have good conversations and do some analysis, extra analysis, going over your guys' picks and whatnot. So try to participate in those. So yeah. Again, thank you for watching. Please leave a like on the video. That's the biggest thing you could do for me and help out with my channels. Leave a like. Again, I don't sell anything. I'm completely transparent. I show my losses and gains and my strategy here on this channel. And yeah, make sure to subscribe if you already haven't. Hit the bell notifications and leave a comment. I love commenting and replying to your guys' comments. Gets the juices flowing and gets the brain activity going and ideas generating. I think having conversations with like-minded people on a certain topic is one of the best ways to learn and grow. So yeah, again, Happy New Year, guys. Almost failed to mention that. Happy New Year. I hope that we all have a good year. And yeah, so that's about it. Thank you all for watching and have a nice day. Bye.